Okay, so I have done this color combination, and now why I'm doing and why I'm choosing these colors. Like ultimately, we are going to work with three colors: bronze, silver, and gold. So this will be like the color scheme for report. I'm trying to keep uniform color scheme for whole report. Okay, so that's all about the color schemes. So you can choose yours. Now go to general, and I'm just changing the title because I don't want count of medal by gender. It doesn't look nice also. So I am going to distribution of gender or distribution of medal by gender. I can keep it that way. Medal by gender. Okay. So you see, you can change the font, you can change the font size, you can bold it, or you just make it, center aligned. So remember one thing, whatever you are doing with one header, that is title, you have to do same thing for each and every title of each and every visualization of yours. Okay, keep that in mind, because the visualization will look neat and clean when it is proper. Like I don't want one report title like the font size 13 and then 15. It doesn't look nice only. So keep that in mind. Learn this step, whatever you are done with the title, and do the same step with every other reports. That's all about it. And this is something, go back to the report. I think I'm done with the first visualization. It's very simple visualization, pie chart. And now I'm going to work with the metrics. So I'll show how to work with the metrics. Okay, why metrics? And now the second question of mine is, let's say, country-wise medals. So I want a lot of countries. I wanted to see each and every country-wise medals. Like, let's talk about India. So how many gold medal India won? How many bronze and silver medal India won? So I want that representation. So how metrics work? So we have this column. In this particular column I am going to put country, and in this column, basically in row, I am going to put in row header I am going to put the country, and in column header I am going to put the medals, basically maybe bronze medal, silver and gold medal, and value is like the count of medals. So this is what something I'm doing using metrics. For this I'm going to use metrics. Okay. Yes, Yogendra, correct. Cross tab. Even Tableau has a cross tab. Even I think Power BI has a cross tab. Yeah, we can use Sanjeev format painter for other charts as well. So let's work with this. Currently, I'm working with country-wise medals. So how to put the country? So I'm simply going to click on the country, or you can put your country in a row. So it's all automatically get picked. So what can you do? You can drag your country in row, or else you can just simply click on this. It will automatically get picked, and you can pick. Now I want a medal. The name of medal, basically. So again, I wanted to work with focus mode. So go back to focus mode. Look, I got bronze, gold, Na, and silver. Now, Na means what? It's like those country, how like those country who have not won, the count of those country who have not won any single medal. So like the count. So I don't want Na for it. So I'm going to filter out this Na. So how to filter out this Na? You see this filter options. You see this medal. So you are going to click on this arrow. Just select all and just deselect the Na and blank. That's all you have to do. So Na is gone, and I'm going to put medal, the count of medal, into values. So simply I'm going to drag and drop medals into this values and click on the count. See, so I got what? I got bronze, gold, silver, and total of like the Afghanistan. How many medals have Afghanistan won? Two. How many medals Algeria won? 17. All this thing I have. But again, it's like lot of data, lot of countries, around 200 plus countries I have. So it doesn't make sense. I just wanted to see top 10 countries. So again, I'll go back to, filter option, and I'm going to pick with, I'm going to work with the, top 10 countries. I'm going to select top N. You see, we have a lot of filtering option here. The filter type. So you have to click top N. You can play around. You can pick top 5, top 20, top 10, whatever. It's totally your choice. And the value I'm going to filter with. So I'm going to filter the count of medal using, the value count of medals. So select count. That's all about it. And apply. Do not forget to apply the filter. Once you apply something, the filter now, do not forget to apply the filter, because sometimes this happen. You do all the thing and you forget to apply the filter, and it doesn't work out in your visualization. You was like, yeah, it's gone. The first row was empty because we have an empty country, maybe. That's why. Sanjeev. Okay, so now I got the country, top 10 countries, but again, the sorting of this is not what I require. So I want in top, I want the most, like the first country which has lot of medals. Likewise, so what you are going to do, click on this three dot and sort your visualization by count of medals, not by country. So it's like comes in, A, C, F alphabetical order. So I don't want in alphabetical order. Either I want in the order will be like the count of medals. So now it is the perfect graph. USA, Russia, Germany. USA earn a lot of medals. Back followed by Russia, followed by Germany, and Australia. A lot of these are like the top 10 countries. Now I want to use conditional formatting for this. Okay, in this particular thing, you are going to learn this new thing, conditional formatting. So basically, why it is used to show some kind of data on like basis of the data. So we have got this, how to do conditional formatting. Simply you wanted to go to visuals, uh, close the filters, go to visuals, and you will see specific row. No, not specific row. One second. First of all, in grid, I'm just adding it and making it look so nice. So I'm just adding the color black for look wise. It's totally up to you. You want to do it or not. Vertical and for borders. So I want top border, and I just making the color black again. Bottom and left and right. Yeah, that's what I required. And option, it's not option. Okay, one second. Okay, again, if you don't want column subtotals, you can simply off it like this, or row here off it. Okay.
Ma'am, I need some formatting of a color in the top and bottom. That how can we get?
You see the color header, column header, go back to here and you see the colors. Simply put some colors. Now it,
No, I mean filling a background color. We have to.
yeah, you see the option is here. You can fill the background as well.
Okay, in each row I have to fill some colors. Means how it can
So
be
you have a
done?
lot of options here. Just uh, go to visuals and see the formatting methods here. So I don't want background color as of now, so I'm just keeping with white. But you have a lot of options here. Just explore this thing and you will
Okay.
get a lot of things. Okay, if you got stuck somewhere, you have my number, you can ask me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so go to cell elements. This is what something we are looking for. We are looking for what? Data bars for conditional formatting. If I click OK, like click on database, the data, some bar, I get some bar here inside the data. So if you are not interested in text, now we got a glimpse how the distribution of information is done using conditional formatting. Simply you can change the color of this data bar. I don't want a blue color, I want a maybe golden color or bronze color. It's totally up to me. You see this effects, this is like advanced control. So click on this effects
अरे 50
and
दिन पिस्टल
change.
लेके भी खड़े तो सारे यूं खड़े हो जाए ऐसे कर देते बोला आओ बैठ
Whoever
जाओ
it is, just make sure to mute your mic, please.
नहीं कर पाया धन 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 धन
Okay. And I'm just going to work with the yellow color. I'm putting this positive bar as a yellow. I'm in gold and then press OK. It's done. It's done. Okay. So again, I need to go to general, and if you want to put some title, just put it. If not, then keep it that way. I'm not going to put any title as of now for this particular dashboard. Dashboard as in this visual. Yeah, that's all. Go back to your you can even increase the size of your data. So you see the values, just increase the size little bit. So it will be more visible. Go back to the report. Now second visual is done. So, okay. So this is something we have done till now. Reports means you are going to create single view. Single view means maybe you are going to suppose now we are working. We are working with one report. Dashboard is like a multiple. The combination of multiple reports is a dashboard. So I'll tell you that. Let's quickly finish the third. Oh my god. Third graph. Simple visualization, nothing but stacked column chart. So I'm going to work with stacked column chart because the third question of mine is I want to see the distribution of medal among top 10 players. So I am going to put set column chart, and I am going to what is my question? Player wise medal rise, distribution of medal player wise. So player is like name. So I simply going to click on player, focus mode it here, and what's distribution. So I want player in my x-axis, it is there, and want y in y-axis, count of medal. Yeah, this is what I'm required. This is what I want, and okay, and see, I got a lot of players. I have many players, right? So what I'm going to do, I am going to keep top 10 players only. So I'm just filtering the names like top 10 players. How to filter, you all know, guys. So I just wanted to keep top 10, and count of medal. The value should be like based on count of medal. So click on this, put count, apply filter. Don't forget to apply the filter. Now this is something I require. So like Robert that McKinsey and Joseph Josie, these are like the top 10 players who have lot of counts, like the medal, who have earned medal. Now what I'm doing, I'm just putting this medal into legends. So I wanted to see each and every athlete, how many bronze, gold, and silver medal that particular athlete have earned. So that way I'm getting. So now you see NA is there, the blue color, NA, the wallet color, NA is there. So data that we have got is incorrect data. Why? Because data of player who have not won the medals are coming into top 10. So we just need to get rid of this NA first. So apply. This is some mistakes, okay? So this is what happened in visualization. If you don't take proper care while using, filter and data values, so you should be aware of it. So I am just going into medals and selecting all, removing blank and removing NA. Now this is the correct visualization. So the very first is Michael Fred Philip 10. Yeah, Philip 2 basically. He's the best athlete as of now, I know. And now what? You just wanted some data, basically data. You want some labels, the count of this particular like how many like maybe Michael Fred Philip 2, the how many medals, bronze medal he have earned, how many gold medals he have earned, and how many silver medal he have earned. So you can just go to visuals and on this data labels, you can on the total data labels as well. It will just going to give you on top of each and every value, you will get the total number of data values, maybe the medals basically. And I don't want this color, I wanted to change the colors. So how can I change the colors? Again, I don't want grades, so I'm just off doing just something, just removing the background grades. Click on these columns, you see the colors. For bronze, I'm keeping with the bronze color, and for gold, I'm putting gold color, and for silver, I'm putting silver color. So this is something, this is my theme, so I'm going with my theme only. And go to general and change the title. So this is not something, the title should be like distribution of medal. So distribution of medals among top 10 players. Yeah, this is what I want, and I'm just bolding it, changing the font size, whatever I have done in previous, same thing I'm doing here. Okay, and that's all about it. I think, no, I wanted to keep that legends in, okay, I want legends has to be in top center. Yeah, that all I require. So these are like my basic visualization. Now in page number 2, I am going to work with advanced level visualization. That is the tree map. That is this heat map basically, tree map, and the ribbon map, ribbon chart, and a lot of others. The fourth question is sports. Which sport gave the most medal, distribution of medal by sports? Okay, so sports, correct. So I am going to click on sport for this. Okay, I'm going to click on sports, and I'm going to click on the medals. Maybe the count of medal. Okay, so I'm going to work with Treemap because I have a lot of sports. Like I think the count of sport is too huge. So I'm going to work with this Treemap. So why to work with Treemap is, so the purpose to use Treemap is like the distribution of data or the volume of data is concerned. When your volume data is concerned, then you have to use the Treemap. So again, this color, like it's very colorful. I don't wanted to play with the colors. I just want my theme. So what you are going to do, go back to formatting, click on the colors. You see, don't scroll down. Okay, don't scroll down. There will be like the list of the sports that are available. If you want a individual color, then that will, going to take a lot of time. So just go to advanced controls here, click on this advanced control, and click on the minimum value color. So I am going, for me the minimum color is minimum value color is bronze, and the maximum value color is gold. So I'm going to play around with this and click OK. Now the visuals turn for me my proper scheme. Okay, and then I just don't want each and every sport. I want top 10 sports. Again, go to filters and apply your top 10 filter here. Top 10, or let's keep it top 20. It will look nice. And put the medal and put the count and apply the filter. Okay. And again, I wanted to see how many medals athlete has earned. So you have this data label, just click on this data label and you will get the medals. Again, what you're getting, NA values also. So you just need to get rid of this NA values. Simple, drag this medal into this filter options and select all and remove this blank and remove this NA, and that's all about it. Now you are getting the perfect values basically. Okay, and now what, go to general and rename your title, do the same thing. You can, is total title will be like totally up to you. So you have to come up with unique name. So now this is like distribution of medal by sports. Okay, so bold 15. Don't forget these steps, okay, guys? If you have done same thing, do same thing with each and every visualization. That's all about for now. So this is a tree map for you guys. I'm just keeping it so little huge. Yeah. Any question? Give middle value silver. Yeah, we can give middle value silver as well. We can do that. You guys can do the same thing with your dashboard. Okay. So I'm keeping that way. Now the fourth thing, the fifth, basically fifth visuals, right? If I'm not wrong, we have complete three visuals, and this is fourth. And the fifth visuals is season wise medal. So I'm going to use stacked bar chart for that. And I'm going to use season wise medals. So which season earn many medals? Again, I wanted to put medals into x-axis. No, yeah, count of medal into x-axis, and in y-axis I'm having nothing but the season. Okay. So I can do a lot of things here. I can put athlete name. So like, or maybe the country name. So let's put country into legend. So what legend does slicing, it will help us to slice our data. So I just don't want all the countries. I want top 10 countries. I can, select, go to filter data, go to country, select top 10, and I just wanted to work with top 5 data now, and depending upon medals, change the count here, and don't forget to apply this filter. Okay, so this is like randomly that have picked the colors. You can change the colors as per your choice. So how to change the color? First of all, I don't want background grid lines here. So I wanted to change the colors. So according to my scheme, I'm going to change the colors. So yeah, that's all I am doing right now. Come up with, it doesn't look nice. Okay, it looks nice now. Yeah, and put down the data labels if you want, and if you want total labels also you can put on, and that's what we require. Change the title to whatever title we have to give. So I want to give season wise medal. Yeah, you can give any title. I'm just giving season wise medal. Okay, season wise medal. Vice medals. Yeah. Make it bold. Don't forget the number 15. Keep it bold and align it. And yeah. So we have legends here also, right? So you can keep your legends. I just keeping into top center. That's what I'm doing previously. Okay, so this is something season wise medal. Okay, now the next visualization is like the age wise medal. It is very important because we are going to work with nothing but the ribbon chart here. So I'm going to create another page for this, and I'm going to work with ribbon chart. So I'm going to click on ribbon chart here. This is my ribbon chart for me as of now, and I'm going to work with what age wise medal. So now I'm going to select age. So I'm going to put age into X. So I'm just select the age, and I'm going to put the medal into y-axis, the count of medal basically. So go to focus mode, and you see now you can able to see the ages like 23, 24, the mid basically 20s to 30 are the age in which people have earned multiple medals, correct? But again, I'm getting this visualization is not looking nice because I'm getting 25, 24 to 30 first, and then followed by 18. It's not proper. It's like the sorting is not proper. So I wanted to sort my graph by age. I don't want to sort my graph by medal. So how to change the sorting? You see this three dot, go to three dot sort axis and click on age. So now this is what something I want. So this is the proper sorting. So here you can see uh, the graph, basically the flow of graph. It's increasing from 12, 13 to like 23, 24, 25 are the age in which the people are earning a lot of medals, and going down to 49 or something. So I just want a visualization of 12 to 40s something. So because after that I'm not having a lot of data only. So just filtering out a data, little bit of data is necessary for me. So I'm going to select all, click on blank, and I want a data from maybe 11, 12 to nothing but 40. So we have to do it manually because we don't have this option. So this is something. Okay, I want 42 till 42. So I'm just removing, unchecking all the ages, which is not required basically, because it will take a lot of space in our data set also, like in our dashboard also. So we don't want that. So 1 second. Once it will done. Okay, I just want to get rid of this data as well. Okay, so that's all about, oh no, 96 is there, 97 is there, which is not, what happened? You guys are understanding, right? I don't want NA also, so I'm just getting rid of NA, and this is something I want. And again, I'm now what I'm working with the ribbon chart. So you need to put something in legends here. So I'm going to put what medals in legends like this. Okay, now you see, I am getting 1 second. Blue, this purple color stands for NA. I just don't want NA, so I'm just removing the NA basically from my data, selecting select all, just remove the NA, and this is something I want. So you can able to see, now you see how can you read this ribbon chart. So let's talk about 24. In 24, the maximum silver medals have earned by age 25, 24, and then followed by a bronze medal, and very less gold medals they have earned. The basically, thank you so much, Namita. Okay, and I'm just I don't wanted to play. I just wanted to change the colors, as you guys know my scheme. So I'm just going into format your visuals, and you can select the ribbons. You see the option ribbons. Okay, now this option changes, varies, like this option varies from graph to graph. Like for ribbon, it shows ribbon. For bar, it shows bar. For columns, it maybe for matrix, it will show column. So you need to be careful. No, no, no. Otherwise, you will be, keep scrolling and checking visuals and gender and a lot of things. If you wanted to change any color, you will find all this thing in visuals only. Okay. So now I'm going to change the bronze to bronze color, gold to gold color, and silver to silver color. Yeah. Keep it simple, crisp. That's what I want. And I can even add the data labels, but that will not work in ribbon, I guess. Yeah. And now just go to general, go to title, and just change the title. So what is my title now? Age-wise medal. You can do anything. So I'm just keeping simple age-wise medal or something like that. Oh yeah, age-wise medals. Come up with new names or fantastic names other than this age-wise medal or something. Okay, come up with different names and make it, align it, and that's what something. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now what is tooltip? Tooltip is something, if you're hovering over any visualization, you see this black color ka box, it is known as tooltip. Okay, we can put multiple things in your tooltip. If you wanted to read something, some more than that data, you can go to this format visual. You see this option tooltip here. You can add that particular data here in tooltip, and it will be visible in this tooltip. Okay, now this is something I want, and I am done with this. Back to the report. This is my advance. Okay, I just don't want, I want this legend in center. So Yeah, go to visuals and keep it top center. That's done. Yeah. So yeah, page number 4 now because it's full. And the last and final visualization we are going to work slices for pie chart. Sanjeev, I don't understand. What do you mean? Okay, year-wise medal. So again, listen, guys. If you're working with time or you're working with date, so make sure to use line or area chart only. It will like line chart is made for dates and for the time kind of data types only. So now I'm going to work with year. So now what I'm doing, I'm using my line chart. Okay, go to focus mode. I'm putting year. So I don't want sum of year. I want year in x-axis. So whole and soul years, and I wanted to see the medals in which year medals have earned, like the count of medals basically. You able to see the Olympic starts from 1900, that is 19,002. It varies, and the sudden drop down happened in 2000s. I mean, again 1994. So the count of medals became 3,160, and then again it picked up. Again it dropped down. So you see this drop and up is happening here in till which year? Till 1994 to I think 2014. So I wanted to see not just that. I wanted to see like number of medals. Okay, I don't want to see the how many gold medal have someone won or how many bronze medal. I want each and every basically the count of medals. So again I wanted to see gender wise basically the distribution. You can have a gender wise distribution. You can use the gender in your legend, or you can use anything in your legend. Let's say country, or maybe the age, or maybe the season, anything. So I'm just keeping gender wise like I'm just putting gender, and I'm just comparing. Okay, it's not like female and male are not playing together in loops. It doesn't happen. But what I'm doing, I'm just comparing the how many females uh participated in that particular year, and how many males are participating in that particular year. Okay, so that's what I mean from this graph. Okay, so likewise, you can see the major difference in from 1990s to 2000. We have seen the medals earned by female is lesser, very lesser than male. But whereas now it is very close. Till 2016, it is very close. It is good a sign for female athletes out there who is working hard and making our country proud. So let's go to visual and just go to general and title and keep the maybe year wise medal, or you can name it anything. I'm just giving year wise medal. Okay, bold it, and for 15 and horizontal alignment. That's what I want. And I wanted to get change the colors. I don't want these colors. I wanted to change the color. You see now the line, it came lines. It's not ribbons now, it's lines. Okay, but in line we have a colors. So I want I have used for male, I have used bronze color in pie chart, and for female I have used gold color in pie chart. So keep that in mind. So whichever color you are using for male or female, maybe if you're working with the same field multiple times in multiple graphs, so keep the color coordination with you. Okay, keep that in your mind. And you